Just got my first order from the Pant Project. The delivery was very quick through Blue Dart, one of the best couriers. It came in like 2 days. This is the packaging. Very well packed. Made in India. Let's unbox this. Packed so well. This was sealed. We have this leaflet showing all the different things about Pant Project. Here is the item properly wrapped. Unboxing experience. So Indian companies are doing so good. Every minute details. Here is the power stretch pant. This is my first power stretch pant. This is a style up pant I haven't wore yet. The color is greenish. It was supposed to be a beige color. On the pictures, the color is a bit different. See the tag over here. Here's the tag. Chive Green. Yes. According to the name, it is proper. Or on the pictures, the color was looking more of a creamish color. But this is more of a like chive green color. Let's try it on. So this is the trouser from the Pant Project. Okay, the waist, I'm a 32 and 34. Like the stretchable ones, 32 fits perfectly. All the Levi's jeans are of 32. And some Indian brands I'm seeing lately, 34 is fitting me. So I'm like 33. So it has a tight fit. Here you can see 34 waist. It's tight. I don't need a belt. The buttons are good quality. The zip is also smooth and nice in quality. They have this kind of shirt holder, which is kind of a rubbery texture, which is a really great thing. That you tuck the shirt, it will not come undone. Good detailing, and yeah, this is the preview look of how the fitting is coming. But I think this will stretch. Right now it's totally a one-to-one fit, and the material seems really nice. Very soft materials, but it looks like a pajama. Not a pant. Maybe these pants are supposed to be like this. This is the first time I'm trying this type of trousers. Okay, in the pocket, so deep, nice. This is very important for men. And it's a slim tapered type of fit. You can see it's falling on my leg. The color, yeah, this is a really nice color, but this is not the color I liked on the pictures. It was more of a beige cream color. Well, this is a really nice color too. Not bad, not bad. The quality is good. The sizing maybe a bit tight on me, getting fatter. Has 20 loops and a bit looser, a bit wider length in the feet. But they also provide alteration. You can see mine I have to give it one fold. So I bought the free size, but like 1 inch alter. They have system in their website while ordering. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just bought it for myself as I wanted to try these type of pants. So they do free alterations also before shipping. Color is really nice, but not the color I wanted. I checked the color code. It's matching chive green, but in the pictures, I'll show the screenshot. It's looking a bit more beige. This happens during the photography. If the color temperature is not set properly, then the color differences may come. During the photo editing and photography phase, the white balance was not set. So in those cases, the color differences come on the garments.